Hi, my name's Paul Fedall and I work for BT that provides retail, wholesale and global services products in the telecommunications market. My main role is Head of Billing. It's billing and collection, which includes telephone, data and subsea products. I have around 35 staff and I deal with approximately 63,000 changes of prices each month and around 250 carriers internationally. So probably the most important one to cover here was the reason we had multiple systems. That also meant multiple users and multiple interfaces into various products, causing us all sorts of problems with ensuring the auditability of the platform. With that, it brought its own headcount costs because obviously we had lots of people using those systems and providing interfaces to those was somewhat difficult. There was the issue as well regarding manual workaround. Because our systems were legacy and had been there for 10 years, we didn't have the capability to deal with new products coming onto the system stack. Ultimately, more cost in terms of manual effort and the staff required to do that work. So BT were really looking for a single system that allowed us to have the flexibility to work through all of the products and also all stages of the process for billing. We needed flexibility, so we needed to be able to change our requirements within the system and have that future proofing that allowed us to move forward with different products that were coming onto the market. We also wanted automation, and automation brings with it an amount of headcount saving, so cost of headcount and obviously of people within our unit. So we looked at various platforms, and one of the key issues for us was to make sure we had ease of use of the system. The system had to be intuitive and that people at all levels of knowledge could actually use the platform. We also looked at cost. Obviously that drives a lot of business decisions. However, probably key for us with Subex was their knowledge of the market that we work in. They had key finance and also telecoms background, so it was good to use them to give us the relevant answers to our questions. Finally, the key thing for us was reporting tools. We've used a myriad of reporting tools in the past and we wanted a system where we didn't have a huge reliance on those systems. The product needed to provide us with on-screen flexibility so we could amend the data in the system to provide us the answers we needed. I think this question is all about engagement. It's around how we worked with each other as a relationship to solve problems. We obviously had a high-level plan. We then went down into detail of what we required within the system, but probably most importantly, when we went into development, we were most interested to work together and see the progress of the system as it was built. It allowed us time to be able to look at various things on the screen to enable us to make sure we were efficient and the system actually gave us the end product we required. Yes, we're satisfied with Subex for two reasons. Firstly, the system is robust and provides the flexibility that we need to conduct our business. Secondly, in an ever-changing environment, Subex are very flexible and the people are easy to deal with. So I see 5 very distinct benefits to BT. First one is obviously, and one of the most important, cost saving. We need to look at our support costs and also our maintenance costs going forward, and moving to the new platform gave us that. Secondly, was it good for our customer? Yes, it was. We had a brand new platform. We could clear disputes far easier because the platform had all of the information we needed, and it was also a far easier interface to use. Reliability was also key for BT. We need to be able to send out our bills on time and to be able to collect effectively. Flexibility was key. It allowed us to move forward with not only our current voice products but also different products in our key set. So we were able to add data products to our billing stack. And finally, we've been able to grow the products that we actually build within the platform. And this has happened naturally. We've been able to take on the IP exchange product, which has allowed us to actually grow the business for BT and also support our sales colleagues in what we need to do for the business.